Each year, various types of merchant ships transport thousands of passengers, livestock, and billions of tons of cargo between the nations of the world. Hey there, my name is Lyan, and in this video, I am going to talk about some important types of navigation equipment generally used on modern merchant ships. The navigation equipment consists of a set of devices that determine the ship's position, speed, and course, and also ensure safety during navigation. Welcome to the bridge, the primary control panel of a ship that is outfitted with the tools and equipment for navigation. The magnetic compass works in conjunction with the magnetic field of the Earth and is one of the essential means of direction indicating devices. It is used to get a planned course for the voyage, and it finds the magnetic North Pole. The gyro compass, usually mounted in a compartment, operates based on gyroscope properties and the Earth's daily rotation. It finds the true North Pole of the Earth. It has no magnetic field errors and is the primary compass, ensuring accurate navigation. An autopilot keeps a vessel on a set course without anyone needing to intervene. Autopilot is synchronized with the gyro compass to steer the manually input courses with reference to the gyro heading by controlling the steering gear to turn the rudder in the required manner. ECDIS stands for Electronic Chart Display and Information System. This is an electronic navigation system offering digital charts and navigational information as an alternative to paper charts. With the use of ECDIS, it has become much easier to pinpoint locations and attain directions for ship navigators. Radar detects targets using microwave signals and displays information on the screen, including the ship's bearing and distance from obstacles, other ships, etc. It uses a rotating scanner antenna and is useful for collision avoidance and navigation in adverse weather conditions at night and with reduced visibility. ARPA, an automatic radar plotting aid, processes radar data and creates tracks for vessels within radar coverage, representing current situations and predicting future situations. An echo sounder is used to measure the depth of the water below the ship's bottom by sending sound wave pulses from a transducer that is fitted on the bottom of the ship's hull. These pulses travel through the water, hit the submerged object, bounce off them, and return upward to the transducer. The Automatic Identification System, AIS, provides ship position, identification, and other information to other ships and coastal authorities, improving maritime safety, collision avoidance, and helping identify ships that are not in view. A GPS receiver, or Global Positioning System receiver, is a display system that is used to navigate, measure speed, and determine location with the help of global positioning satellites in the Earth's orbit. A Doppler speed lock measures a ship's relative speed with water by using Doppler effects on transmitted and reflected sound waves. For this purpose, a transducer is fitted on the bottom of a ship's hull. A VDR, Voyage Data Recorder, is a device similar to a black box carried on an aircraft for recording all the information necessary for further investigation in the event of an accident on board. VDR includes audio and image recording with data stored in the recording control unit, fixed protective capsule unit, and float-free capsule unit. An underwater acoustic beacon is attached to a bracket on the fixed protective capsule unit, and if the ship has sunk underwater, it gives out pulses in the ultrasonic range that can be detected by airborne or shipboard units. If the vessel sinks, the float-free capsule case will open and release the capsule from inside. This capsule will then float to the surface and emit a distress signal to alert shoreside authorities. All vessels are required to have identification lights that give information about their type, size, and moving direction. Here are some navigation lights that are displayed by some vessels. Navigation lights are used to prevent collisions with other vessels at night or during periods of reduced visibility. Signal flags have been used in navigation since the old days. Each of them have its own meanings. For example, a flag with a letter equivalent to H Hotel means that I have a pilot on board. A flag with a letter equivalent to Q Uniform means that you are running into danger. Thanks for watching, and I hope you gained some knowledge about navigation equipment that you might want to know from this video.